Hi there, Anna Malimon here. How are you today? Today, I want to talk about not fitting in and how that could actually be a good thing. And the thing is, this takes me back a little bit to my high school days and feeling like when I didn't fit in, because I would either talk about Jesus and not everybody would like that. And also, I wouldn't want to skip class or cause trouble or do things like that. I was one who was dedicated to learning and getting my homework done and having straight A's. I was one of those good students. And so, because I didn't fit in with most of the kids. Most of the kids did not want to do the homework. Most of the kids wanted to skip class, and nobody really wanted to talk about Jesus in school. And so I didn't feel like I fit in, and that bothered me a little bit just because, yes, I wanted to be, liked. I wanted to be a part of the cool group and all that. But then again, I also knew that I wasn't like everybody else, and I knew that, and I felt different inside, and it didn't bother me as much because of that, because I knew that I was doing something that's better for me. I knew I was going to be bringing blessing into my life and I would be a better example to others. And I'm not trying to say I'm perfect. I'm very far from that, but at least what my intention is to at least try and to at least do what I know I can. And so by doing that, I was talking to my kids this morning, and I tell you, some of my conversations, some of my ideas, they're like born in my kids' conversations and in my kids' like talks when I have with them in the mornings or afternoon or throughout the day. And it's like I was talking to them about not fitting in and not feeling bad about it, because when we don't fit in, and we're not doing what everybody else is doing, that's totally okay. And that's totally normal. There's nothing wrong with that. We may think as like kids growing up, like we don't fit in. And so it makes us feel kind of bad because then we don't have as many friends. We don't feel cool or whatever the deal is. But as you grow up and you see that when you're doing what everybody else is doing, especially if it's not working or if it's wrong or if it's leading you in the wrong path in life, then it's okay not to fit in. I know a lot of people that do a lot of different things that I don't do or agree with, so therefore I'm not friends or associating myself with those kind of people, right? And I'm okay with not fitting in, and I'm okay with not being cool enough or not having a giant group of friends, and because I don't fit in or because I'm not like them. I am me, and my core values and my core beliefs are more valuable to me than being looked at as somebody who is cool enough to be in that group, in that particular group. So, when it comes to business and marketing, you very well know this also. For you to be noticed, you need to stand out. You cannot fit in, you cannot blend in if you don't stand out, if your brand doesn't stand out, if your company doesn't stand out, if your marketing message doesn't stand out, if the way that you do things is like everybody else, what everybody else is doing, and you don't seem to have any results like everybody else, then it's pointless. You're wasting your time and your energy on things that don't work and things that don't bring you results just because you want to fit in. You see, so those things, um, like you have to kind of prioritize your life, your business, your strategies, and understand what is it that you're after, what results are you after, and then come up with a strategy and a plan to achieve those goals, and make sure that it's not what everybody else is doing. So I was blessed to come across a mentor who has actually taught me a marketing strategy that not many, very, very few people are actually utilizing. And I'm doing a deep dive in my private Facebook group. It's eLifeBOSS, and I'll link it in the description below or in the comments below. And you will see that, in that group, what I do is I go in a deeper dive into the strategies, the marketing strategies that no one else or very, very few people are utilizing today. And we use strategies that won't make you fit in, won't allow you to blend in. We want you to stand out. We want you to grow your business. We want you to grow your brand and for you to see results in your business. And, in a lot of these trainings, I also blend in mindset and, of course, my own personality, because what my focus is to get us results, not to fit in, not to blend in, not to feel like you have to do a certain thing, but it's just, to just be you, do it uniquely to you and your personality. So, if you have taken the time to watch this, if you are already in my private group, awesome. We'll go dive deeper in the trainings, and this. If not, I want to invite you to come join our group to be part of the family, where we will learn and go deeper into strategies, and where you don't fit in into marketing strategies for business, and also mindset. I do talk a lot about a mindset in a lot of my trainings. So that's what I focus on because I understand the importance of it. Say hello, hello, hello. So this is my little mini business partner. She's always with mommy, right? We are, we do school together and we do videos together and we do everything together. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining, for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day and you be productive. And I'll see you inside my Facebook group. All right. God bless. Bye bye. Stay awesome.